Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NLNK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Quite the eventful day on this one today, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, and I'm not going to say that the chart is ruined, but yeah, the chart is definitely looking very shaky, and there's no need to beat around the bush. So like I said, I'm not going to say it's a destroyed chart, but there's definitely some levels that really do need to hold going into next week. In my opinion, the must-hold level next week is right here at $1.75. Why is $1.75 so important? Well, first off, I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to $1.75 and then just continue on down, from a very literal perspective, what would you have at that point? Well, you would have the price quite literally right back to where it was, in that range where it was before the breakout happened. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true strength. And in this situation, that would basically put this at pump and dump status, meaning the price made a great move up, the pump, and then all of a sudden, within a few days, price goes right back to where it started. So like I said, I'm not saying that's what's going to occur, but that is why, in my opinion at least, $1.75 is a very, very important level of support that you don't want to see the price fall down below. Now, in the event the price starts to work its way back upwards, let's talk about a couple areas of resistance. Initial level of resistance to keep a close eye on, going to be right up here at the $2 mark, so if there is any sort of continued bounce. And then after $2, what makes this interesting is next level, not until essentially all the way up there around $2.30. Now, I'm not saying if if $2 broke and then the price is shooting straight up to $2.30. My point is that from the technical point of view, and just looking through here, there's just aren't any other data points that suggest that could be some sort of potential area of resistance. So there's definitely some great potential there. But as of right now, especially with the downwards pressure, top priority is definitely staying above $1.75. So let's see if the price can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.